Hello, welcome again to another day of class. Today, in our spelling class, we're going to continue learning some words from our list number 21. Today is Wednesday, August 26, 2020. Remember that on Friday we have dictation, so you have to study all the words from list number 21. You can find this list of words on page 40 of your spelling book. Page 40. So I'm going to start. Remember that we are working with sentences and words. So you're going to copy the sentence number 11. And our word here is the word decide. Decide. What does the word mean in Spanish? Decidir. Decide. Decidir. Then the next word is the word decision. Decision means decision. Copy the word, copy the sentence. Decision. The next word is the word divide. Matthew is learning to divide in arithmetic class. The word divide means dividir. So, copy the sentence, copy the word. Our next word in our next sentence is confuse. Confuse. People often confuse me with my twin brother, like in the picture that I have here. It's something to confuse. Confundirse. Confundir. The next word, confusion. Confusion. So, can you notice the difference between confuse and confusion? To avoid confusion, we should all label our school supplies. Yes, that's true. So confusion is confusion. Now, we have here, Mom and Dad need to discuss our weekend plans. Discuss is our word here. Discuss. What does this word mean? This word means discutir o analizar. Discuss. Next word and next sentence. Discussion. Discussion. See the difference between discuss and see the difference in discussion. Here we have double S at the end, I-O-N. Discussions mean discusión o debate. The discusión or debate. We had an interesting discussion in Sunday school class. The next word is the word January, and it is a month of the year. It's the first month of the year. On January 1st is New Year's Day. January means enero because it is the first month of the year. So here you have the word and the sentence. Copy the word and copy the sentence. Our last word of this week list 21 is the word February. I can get quite cold in February. It can get quite cold in February. What does this word mean? Febrero is the second month of the year. Is the second month of the year. Now it is time of your homework time. It is time of your homework time. What you are going to do is the same. You're going to work in flashcards like the ones that you were working on Monday, but now from words from 11 to 20. Words from word number 11 to word number 20. That's what you have to do during this week. That was everything for today's spelling class. I hope you understood very well each one of the words, and I hope that you wrote your sentences. Please keep safe at home. Blessings from the Lord. I'm praying for you and yours, and I'm sending a lot of blessings, hugs, and kisses.